Okay, that was ugly. The worst week the Dow has seen since the financial crisis in 2008. Stocks lost more than $4 trillion in value since their last peak. Still, the White House is trying its best to downplay the longer-term risk.
We just think the economy is sound, and therefore, I just don't think this short-term stock market plunge is going to have any long-term effect.
It's bad.
Markets sell off all the time. Black Monday, 1987.
It's panic.
The dot-com bubble, the financial crisis of 2008, and now whatever this is. But what has traders spooked this time is they don't know what may happen. So it's impossible to say what may stop things from getting worse.
So you've got this very toxic mix of there's no real sense that anybody understands what's going on, and therefore there's no real sense of what can be done, either to quell the market concerns or to make people feel better about the state of the world.
The question haunting markets now is what will happen if the coronavirus gets worse? Will U.S. offices and factories shut down like they did in China? Will streets and sports arenas close up like they have in Italy?
The danger is this market turmoil leads to a reassessment of economic prospects, potentially much weaker global growth, much weaker Canadian growth, and if that happens, then of course when growth slows, things aren't as good.
Remember though, markets have been on an absolute tear since 2009. The Dow soared more than 22% last year alone. Most felt a correction was inevitable. The question was what would finally push stocks down.
What I'm concerned about now is this is a global natural disaster. It's unforeseen, it's something that can't be controlled. It's even difficult to contain this, let alone try to control this.
So, Peter, this is a dramatic sell-off, but considering that we haven't seen a significant impact from the virus yet in North America, how much of this is perception?
Well, a lot of it is, Ian. But look, it's not uninformed speculation. We've seen what this looks like when it hits countries. You know, we've already seen travel curtailed and conferences canceled here. We know that supply chains are being disrupted. And we also know, for right now anyways, this is getting worse, not better. So investors are looking at this and saying, how bad may this get? And what they're saying right now anyways is this is already bad, but it could get worse.
All right. Peter, thank you.
You bet.